Time is nature's beloved, with a monstrous soul, but honeyed tongue, captivating eyes, but crushing claws, enthralling charm, but appalling touch, showing sweet dreams and delivering horrible realities. Time seems immortal, but it does fears one thing, a thing that can't be understood, same as time can't be interpreted completely. A thing that also can't be seen, only felt. A thing that also is intangible, but highly powerful. That's prayer. Time fears prayer because it can enslave her and make her obey. The person who does prayer